Failure to clean your trash can, especially in the kitchen, can really cause a lot of buildup of bacteria. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you know your material before applying any products to it. Tools you're going to need would be a mild cleaner, microfiber cloth, baking soda, disinfectant, and a scrub brush. Rinse out with hot water, best if you are able to put it in a shower and use a shower head for more pressure. Go ahead and spray and soak it with your mild cleaner. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Baking soda also makes a very good deodorizer. You want to roll up your sleeves for this part, scrub the inside as well as the outside, rinse, then let it dry, place it outside in the sun, or wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Remember, regular maintenance with your trash can will help make it an easier job. The more trash your house produces, the more often you're going to have to clean it out.